The Cricut Joy app for iPhone makes DIY projects like labels and stickers quicker and easier. Just jump in and start making. Let's walk through iron-on and infusible ink transfers. I'll tap Start Designing, choose my design orientation, and then tap Next in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here I can choose to add images, shapes, or text by using the symbols at the bottom of the screen. We'll start with images, and I'll type in trees in the search bar at the top of the screen. I'll select my image and tap the check mark at the bottom right to add it to the screen. Here I'm pinching and reverse pinching the screen to make the image bigger and smaller. I tap T in the bottom right to add text to the screen, and I'm writing in text. And I'll use the bottom right-hand corner of this box to shrink the text down to fit inside my tree. I'll tap the A to choose a blockier font that comes through the tree more clearly, and then tap the check mark in the bottom right when I've selected my font. Next I'm going to tap the white cutout scissors so that the letters are actually cut out inside of the tree. Now I'll add an image to my design. Next I'll shrink it using the arrows at the bottom right of the bounding box, align it using the red alignment lines, and then tap Cutout one more time after I've got it centered so that the design is cut out as well as the letters. Next I'll turn the tree green so that I can see what it's going to look like in my iron-on. Tap Done, and then Next, and we'll move to the prep screen. Now we'll select material, which will be everyday iron-on, and note that the mirror design is on, which means that we're going to actually mirror or reverse this design since it's going onto a t-shirt. There's a preview of our cut screen. You can see the reverse lettering inside of the box. And now we're going to connect to Cricut Joy. I'll follow the instructions to prep and load the mat. I'm using everyday iron-on, which requires a mat, unlike smart materials. Then I'm going to insert the blade in my Cricut Joy and go ahead and make my cut. Next I'll unload the machine and simply follow the assembly instruction.